How to make Snapchat private account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. At the top left corner you can find your avatar. Tap on it. With that you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Tap on it. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Head towards the privacy control section. Applying this process, only your Snapchat friends will be able to send you a snap and view your story. Firstly, head towards this option of See My Location. You can set it to My Friends or Ghost Mode. When you toggle on for this option of Ghost Mode, your friends can't see your last active location. Go back and head towards the option of View My Story. You can set it to My Friends. Likewise, go to the option of Contact Me and set it to Friends. Go back. Open this option, See Me in Quick Add. Toggle off for this option. Go back. After you customize these settings, you are good to go. You have set your Snapchat account to the private account. So this is how you can make Snapchat private account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.